How many times have you finished an abs workout completely exhausted, burning everywhere, and still looked in the mirror 3 months later, wondering why nothing changed? That wasn't laziness. That was bad information. I spent 90 days testing every major abs exercise that exists, not to feel the burn, but to find out which ones actually build a core that's strong, functional, and looks the way you want it to look. What I found will make you angry, not at yourself, at every fitness video that wasted your time. The right exercises fix that. First is bicycle crunches. First 10 reps feel controlled. By rep 20, your neck is doing half the work. By rep 30, you're just surviving. That's the problem. The moment your form breaks down, which happens fast, they stop training your core and start abusing your spine. Not worth your time. Second is sit-ups. I did sit-ups for 2 years thinking I was building a strong core. Here's what was actually happening. Every rep, I was grinding my spine into the floor while my hip flexors did 60% of the work. I wasn't building a core, I was wearing one down. Sit-ups feel productive. That feeling lies to you. Leave them in the past. Next one is Crucifix Crunches. Hit your obliques directly. Clean squeeze. Simple setup. But there's no room to grow. Same angle, same tension forever. Great as a finisher, not strong enough to anchor your training. Next is side plank. Nobody posts their side plank on social media. No dramatic music, no impressive movement. Just you holding a position that looks boring while your obliques work harder than they ever have. Next is Superman hold. Most people only train what they can see in the mirror, but your core wraps all the way around your body. The Superman hold balances the system. Not exciting, completely necessary. Next is plank. Let me tell you what happened the first time I actually did a plank correctly. Glutes fully squeezed, ribs pulled down, every muscle braced like I was about to get punched. 20 seconds in, I was shaking. That's not a beginner exercise. That's a full body contraction most people have never actually felt. Next is hanging leg raises. These expose every weakness in your core at once. But when you learn to control your pelvis and feel your lower abs doing the actual work, something clicks. You stop just lifting your legs. You start controlling your body. That shift in feeling is the shift in results. Master them. Never skip them. Next is hollow body hold. I thought it would be easy. 40 seconds in, I was shaking. 60 seconds in, everything was burning. Deep muscles I didn't even know existed. Next is AB wheel rollout. Every rep forces your core to resist spinal extension under full load. That's the hardest thing your core ever has to do. Start on your knees. Build your range. One day, try it standing. The first time you survive a full standing rollout, you will feel real strength for the first time. Not the burn from crunches. Real, functional strength. No debate. You were never lazy. You were never unmotivated. You were just given the wrong tools. Hollow body holds, ab wheel rollouts, proper planks, hanging leg raises. Do those consistently for 90 days. Your core will be stronger than it has ever been in your life. Not just stronger looking, actually stronger. Subscribe for more.